So today we're going to look at various types of relationships, and I've created for you a graphic organizer to help you organize all of this multitude of information. For this segment, we're going to look at linear relationships. And this is something that you should be somewhat familiar with already. So the basic linear equation is in the form of y equals mx plus b. M being your slope, or your constant rate of change, or your unit rate. B being your y-intercept. An example of that would be y equals 2x plus 7, with your slope being a 2 over 1, a rise of 2 and a run of 1, and your y-intercept being 7. Now, a linear relationship, this is an example of a linear relationship. Here, this is a loss of 2. That's your y change. Here, this is an increase of 8. And here, this is a loss of 14. From 0 to negative 1, that's a loss of negative 1. From negative 1 to 3 is an increase of 4, and from 3 to negative 4 is a decrease of 7. I take my y change and my x change and write them as a ratio. So I have negative 2 over negative 1, 8 over 4, and negative 14 over negative 7. Each of those simplifies to 2. So that means my rate of change is constant, my slope is constant. Therefore, this is a linear relationship. Okay, so make sure you put the change of your y over the change of your x in your ratio. It's a line if the slope is the same. We like to use the word constant. Here, an example of a linear relationship could look like this. That's a linear relationship because that's a line. Could look like that. That's a linear relationship. Could even have no slope. Could go straight across. And also undefined slope. That's a line. A situation that this would be is I paid $7 for an iPod case, and then I also paid $2 for every app I purchased. Okay, that would be an example of a linear relationship. Here is a sequence that would be linear. I'm adding 3 each time, so that's a linear sequence. Here, I'm subtracting 6 each time. Here, I'm adding 4 each time. So this one, I'm adding 2 each time. So these are linear sequences. That's all we have for linear relationships. Thanks for watching.